Good afternoon, Hukad Restaurant. This is Roxanne speaking. How may I help you?
I want to make a reservation.
May I have your name and your contact number, please?
Miss Roxine, and my contact number is 0912-345-6789.
When would you like to book your table reservation, ma'am?
For tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Table for 4, please.
A table for how many? Okay. Where would you like to sit? Smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
Ma'am, may I please repeat your table reservation details? A table for 4, you prefer at non-smoking area tomorrow morning at 10 p.m. in the name of Miss Nicholas. And your contact number is 0963-9793-479.
Yes, that's correct.
You're welcome, ma'am. Thank you very much for calling Hokad Restaurant. We look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day ahead.